Hello YouTube. Text back with another great video, and today's video is about how we can fix no audio output devices installed on Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10. For all Windows products, you can use this 7 or 8 solutions to solve your problem. So check each of the solutions. Maybe if the one solution cannot work for you, the next may help you to solve. So the first solution for no audio output device is installed on your computer would be checking your troubleshooter. So here, click on your search icon and type troubleshoot. So as you type troubleshoot, you will find the troubleshoot setting, then open the troubleshoot setting. So after the troubleshoot setting opened, you will find here other troubleshooters. So you find other troubleshooters, then here you find playing audio. Then select it, hit this one, run. So it will detect, it starts detecting problems related with audio problems. So wait patiently until it will finish the checking process. So here it comes. Which of this device do you want to troubleshoot? On my case, here I have two ports of speakers. So the first one is, as it says, in the front side. The second one will be on the back side. So I'm using the back side, so I will do for the back side. If you are using the front, you can select this one, or you can do for both of them. So select the next icon. So here it says turn off sound effect and enhancement can help you to improve sound quality. So you can select this one, for example, yes, open audio enhancements, and you can go here, select disable all enhancement, and select here apply, and select here OK. And as it says, troubleshooting could not identify the problem, but you made you close the audio enhancement section or you turn it off, then select close and check whether your no audio output device problem is solved or not. If not, the second solution will be updating your drivers related with your device manager. So to find that, here again we will select the search icon and type on the search box device, type device manager. So here we find the device manager. So open the device manager. So on this category, we will find different drivers. So we are going to search for sound and video game controller. Here on the bottom, you find sound and video game controller. So you'll find two drivers inside. So you are going to select, it may be Realtek or Intel or some other driver names will be on it. So select this one, which is the display audio driver. So select this one and update the driver two ways. So select update driver and you will have two options. So search automatically for driver and browse my computer for driver. So we are going to try both of them. Search automatically for driver, and here again the best driver for your device are already installed, and close it. Then check whether your problem is solved or not. So if the problem is not solved, we are going to use the second option. So select this one in update driver, then select browse, the second one, which is browse my computer for driver, and select let me check from the list of available, and here it's already Intel display audio is already selected. Then select next, and it's installing drivers for your computer. So Windows has successfully updated your driver. Then close this one. So after you update your driver, and if the problem is still occurring, then the third solution will be uninstall and reinstall your hardware. So to install and uninstall your hardware, you are going to select this, the second driver, which is, it may be Realtek or Intel. On some of you it will be Realtek. So select this one and select uninstall device. So then after you select the uninstall device, then then don't check this one. Don't even do it. If this box is already checked, uncheck this one and select uninstall. Then restart your computer. Restart your computer. So select uninstall and restart your computer. So let's uninstall it. So uninstalling the device, as you can see, it's removed. Now let's select this restart. So if after uninstalling and reinstalling back is not solving your problem, then the fourth solution would be going into the system, which is the system devices here on the bottom again. Select here system device, and here you will find different drivers inside, and one of the driver inside is high definition audio controller. Again, select this one and update the driver inside here. So select, and the first one, search automatically for driver, and here the best driver for your device are already installed. And then close it and check whether the problem is solved or not. And if it is not, again right click on it, then update driver, then browse my computer for driver, and let me pick and select here next and installing drivers. Then Windows has successfully updated your driver. Then close this one, and your hardware setting have changed. You must restart your computer for this change to take effect. And do you want to restart your computer, then select yes again in order to restart your computer. So here we are after the restart, and check whether your sound problem, which is audio device not install problem, is solved or not. Then if the problem is still occurring, then the fifth solution for this video will be updating or checking the service section of the Windows audio. The fifth solution for this video will be updating or checking the service section of the Windows audio. So in order to check the service section, which is, we are going to select here the search icon, then select services. After you type services, then you will find here services, then select as run as administrator, and it's going to open the service section on your computer. So it opened here, then I'm going to click on my keyboard W. So it's going to lead me to lists of W services. So which is, we find here Windows audio. So in my case it's automatic, but if in your case it's not automatic, then select, right click on it and select properties. Okay, right click, select properties under the Windows audio. So after you find that, then select here what, automatic. Then after you select automatic, then select start and select here apply finally. In my case it's already automatic, that's why. So select OK finally, and here go and restart your service section. So it's going to restart, and as you can see, the Windows audio is running under the automatic. Then close your service section and check whether the problem is solved or not. And the final solution for this video will be checking the Windows update. So sometimes Windows update can cause this problem. So select this search icon and type Windows update. So here we find Windows update setting, then select the Windows update setting, and we are going to check for updates. Check for update. If there will be any updates, it will notify you here, lists of updates. So it's checking for updates, and as you can see, it found some kind of security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender. So wait until it will finish downloading and installing, then finally restart your computer. Or if you do not have updates lists here, maybe you can select advanced options, and you will find here optional updates. Maybe on Windows 10 you'll find it in front of the Windows update, but in Windows 11 case, you find it on advanced option, then you will find here optional updates. So under the optional update, here we find driver update. So select the driver updates. Maybe here are some lists of drivers that are available. So select the drivers that are listed and update your drivers. So here I found even Realtek semi conductor and Realtek net are under the list. So I'm going to select download and install this driver. So it will start updating the drivers inside the Windows update. Then finally, after the Windows update completed or the driver downloading completed, then restart your computer and again check your sound sound driver or sound output device is installed or not. So these are the solutions for helping you to solve your audio output device is not installed problem. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe and give me comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Tech out.